Hey everyone, welcome back to MZ Car Club. Today, we're diving into the highly anticipated 2025 Honda S2000, a modern reinterpretation of a true legend. This car combines cutting-edge performance with sleek styling, and of course, Honda's renowned reliability. Let's break down its safety, performance, pricing, and overall features in just 2 minutes and 25 seconds. Safety. The 2025 Honda S2000 doesn't just offer speed, it ensures safety too. Equipped with Honda Sensing, it includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. A reinforced chassis and advanced airbag system keep you secure, whether on the track or city streets. Honda has also integrated a 360-degree camera for enhanced visibility and blind spot monitoring to give you peace of mind. Performance. Under the hood, the S2000 boasts a turbocharged 2.0-liter inline-4 engine, pushing out an impressive 320 horsepower. It comes with a 6-speed manual transmission for purists and a quick-shifting 8-speed automatic for convenience. With its rear-wheel drive layout and lightweight body, the S2000 delivers razor-sharp handling and a thrilling driving experience. The 0 to 60 miles per hour time, just for 0.5 seconds. Pricing. Now, let's talk numbers. The 2025 Honda S2000 starts at around $45,000 for the base model. Fully loaded, it can reach up to $55,000. For a car that offers this level of performance, tech, and heritage, it's a competitive price point. Overall features. The S2000 shines with its stunning aerodynamic design, retractable soft top, and premium LED headlights. Inside, you'll find a driver-focused cockpit, leather-trimmed seats, a 10-inch digital display, and wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. It's a perfect blend of nostalgia and modernity. Outro. So, there you have it, the 2025 Honda S2000 is back and better than ever. Whether you're a longtime fan or a new enthusiast, this car is ready to make your heart race. Let me know in the comments, would you take this beauty for a spin? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more updates. Catch you in the next one.